In January 2025, United States President Donald Trump took a bold step into a battle over free speech, one that intertwines with the rapidly evolving technology of artificial intelligence. Stepping onto this arena was marked by signing Executive Order 1.179, officially titled, Removing Barriers to American Leadership in Artificial Intelligence. The president's objective was clear: to accelerate AI development in the U.S., while dismantling restrictions he viewed as inhibiting innovation and freedom of expression. However, beneath the surface, this move ignited complex debates surrounding the dual-edged nature of AI censorship. The order didn't just advocate for AI enhancement. It dismantled existing regulations meant to curb misinformation and biases inherent in AI systems. This is where the crux of this struggle rests, challenging the equilibrium between unbridled free expression and responsible content regulation. Conservative voices have long criticized AI platforms for reportedly silencing specific perspectives, particularly those relating to controversial issues like the Hunter Biden laptop incident or COVID-19 discussions. Proponents of Trump's executive order herald it as a long overdue rectification, aiming to democratize the digital discourse by tackling what they perceive as AI-driven biases, manipulating information flow and public perception. Yet, the order's detractors raise valid concerns about the absence of oversight, questioning what measures will now prevent AI from disseminating fabricated narratives, deepfakes, and hyper-partisan content. Beyond its technical implications, this development raises nuanced queries over who arbitrates truth in the digital age. AI systems, as the new custodians of information, escalate the stakes in this ongoing debate. Some industry experts argue for stronger regulations to avert the escalation of mass disinformation, cautioning against a possible future where AI-generated falsehoods overshadow factual narratives, seeding societal discord and violence. Conversely, staunch free speech defenders allege that any form of AI regulation imposes an intrinsic bias, akin to a veiled censorship tool suppressing genuine dissenting expressions. As this contentious issue unfolds, pivotal battles are anticipated among Congress, big tech, and AI developers, each with vested interests and differing ideologies on how AI should be governed. This scenario sets the stage for a pivotal inquiry. Will AI serve as a neutral tool for information dissemination, or as a sophisticated weapon for disinformation? And crucially, who bears the responsibility for governing AI's ethical and truthful application? As artificial intelligence's capability exponentially grows, the strategies deployed now will influence the fabric of communication, politics, and truth in the post-digital era. The big question facing society is whether AI is truly infringing upon free speech, or if President Trump's directive inadvertently risks catalyzing an era of unchecked misinformation. The unfolding saga continues to trigger thoughtful discourse, calling for citizens to deliberate, share views, and engage critically as this modern battle for free speech evolves. The implications of this issue resonate far beyond immediate technological concerns, potentially sculpting the very essence of free expression in the years to come.